Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make blocks glow in Geometry Dash. First, enter the level editor and select the specific blocks you want to illuminate. You can select multiple blocks by dragging a box around them or by holding Ctrl and clicking each one individually. Once selected, open the Edit Object menu. This menu is your gateway to customizing various properties of your chosen blocks, including their visual effects. Make sure Now that your blocks are selected, let's apply the glow. In the Edit Object menu, locate the Color tab. Here, you'll need to assign a color channel to your blocks. This allows you to control their color and glow independently. After assigning a channel, find the Glow checkbox and simply click it to activate the glow effect. You'll immediately see a subtle glow around your blocks, indicating the effect is active and ready for further customization. Now, let's talk about mastering your in-game economy. Gold is your primary resource, earned through various methods like winning rounds, maintaining losing streaks, and accumulating interest. A key strategy is interest. For every 10 gold you save, you earn 1 additional gold per round, up to a maximum of 5 bonus gold at 50 gold. Balancing saving for interest versus spending to upgrade your army or refresh the shop is a critical decision that will heavily influence your late-game power. For advanced glow effects, consider using multiple color channels. Assign different channels to the same blocks and apply varying glow colors and opacities to create layered, complex illuminations. You can also combine glow with other object effects, like pulsing or moving, to create dynamic and engaging visuals. Furthermore, experiment with triggers such as the color trigger or alpha trigger to animate your glow's intensity or color over time, adding an extra layer of polish to your level design. The possibilities are truly endless.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.